Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you a simple trick how you can put an underline to your documents and text on Microsoft Word without adding any text whatsoever to it. So let us get started right away, guys. The first trick is very simple. Let's say, for example, we have an example document like that here. Let me add the underline, for example, to that line here. What you may do is press left control on your keyboard plus U once, and that's the trick. And after that, simply use the tab button on your keyboard to add the underline as often as you like. So as you can see, I can add as many underlines to that document as I want. And if I move here along these underlines, I may, for example, add all kinds of content and text to it, just like that. So super simple. That's the first trick. The second trick is simple. Similarly simple. What you may do is, for example, again, use the combination left control U on your keyboard. And after that, simply use the combination left control, left shift, and hold these two and press the space button on your keyboard just like that. And simply keep holding it just like that to add a consistent underline like this. And once you release the space button, you may stop like that. And that's the second trick. Again, you may add all kinds of content or text to it just like that. So that's the two tricks you may apply here, guys. Super simple, as you can see. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.